everybody, my name is Alex, and are you having problems with your Gold Star's side panels? And this really stems from a conversation I was having with a chap called Richard, who had just gone out and purchased himself the bungs that go into your side panels because they were damaged. And I said, Richard, did you check your CIRCLIPs? And he said, what do you mean? So here we are. These are the stays that your side panels connected to. And as you can see, this bottom one here has got a CIRCLIP and behind it a rubber buffer, a rubber bung. There we go. CIRCLIP and a rubber bung. Mine doesn't have it on this side panel, and it's the same on the other side panel on my bike. Now, whether somebody took them off, I would suspect that removing those CIRCLIPs requires a screwdriver and a bit of effort. But I am missing, you can see I've got the groove for it, but I'm missing the rubber bung and the CIRCLIP. So what a lot of people do is they go, right, I'll just buy these and that will fix it. But actually what happens is they look okay. So this is the one for my top right. And you can see that it's actually in a state of failure. So a lot of people going to Fowler's of Bristol, buying replacement bungs, because when they're new, they're nice and tight. Nice tight hole for you. But actually, you will agree, if you've had this problem, the reason you're replacing them is because of this ripping. And it's mostly because you're missing your CIRCLIPs. So that's what it should look like. That's what each stay or pin should look like. Pin, CIRCLIP, and a rubber bung. And what happens is, as your side panel pops on, the bung in the side panel just rests up against the CIRCLIP, and all is well. But here, my side panel can pretty much go where it wants, and it rubs and rubs and rubs, and then destroys itself, whereas the other two are absolutely perfect because the CIRCLIPs are in place. So if you are ordering replacements from Fowler's or your chosen provider, get the CIRCLIPs and the rubber buffers, bung, whatever you want, that go behind it. Your stays shouldn't, or pins, shouldn't look like this. Cool. I hope this video has been useful.